Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to search for products on Temu. Searching for products on Temu is very simple. So firstly what you need to do is you need to go to this search bar in the top and type down temu.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of the Temu, what you need to do is you need to select this search in the top again under the home screen and you can type down any product that you want. As I'm going to type down earbuds here and select enter. And that is it. After that, you can browse the result and tap a product to view its details. You can also use these filters in the top left, and it comes with the category of the color, power mode, battery, properties, and that is it. This is how you can search for products on Temu. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below, and we will reach out to you very soon.